have our 3 core values, which is abundance, joy, and originality. Now let's talk about originality. Be original or tôn nguyên bản in Vietnamese is one of our very core belief in coaching, because we believe that if everyone live from their originality, from their core self, their very pure self, they will achieve the most happiness, and that will inspire others to live in that, same original way. So originality, be yourself in the most powerful, most creative, most courageous ways is the most important value for us. And we do that, and we inspire our students, our coaches, our clients to do the same, to live with their full self. And then the second is about joy. This is important because as you talk with many coaches, you may observe that many coaches claim to be coach, but they talk about pain, trauma and things. And coaching is not about dealing with trauma and pain. Coaching is about living towards the futures, living toward potential. And we need to feel joy in that. And whatever you do, we need to bring joy to client. Even client have to deal with their most difficult thing in their life, with their struggle, with their problems. But the way we deal with that, the way we, partner with our client to go through that, must embody some joys, because we live toward our potential. We live toward our futures. So to coaching is just about, dealing with trauma and pain. For sure, that is not coaching, but that's something that many coaches in the beginning of their careers, kind of stuck there for quite a while, some for a long time. So we believe in joy, and we take our student, we work with our client to, spark some joy in the conversation and in the experience with their own life. And by doing so, they have the inspiration to go, to move forward in their life. And abundance.
That's true.
Yeah, abundance is something we believe that people have potential to live their life in their fullest way, right? So abundance is something we must believe in our client. And in the beginning, as a coach student, you may say, hear your teacher say that, we need to believe in the full potential of our client. And sometimes we have to borrow that belief from the, trainer, from the mentors. But as you go along your career as a coach, you started to feel and to see how clients are so, courageous, so potential, and so, full of resources to do whatever they want in their life. And that belief of abundance started to embody in yourself as a coach. So that's the 3 beliefs that I believe. And InCoach, where I'm a founder, we believe in how coaching should be delivered.